I like to start my day off with a worship song. I put it on a big screen TV and the words are underneath it. I like to listen to a sermon online. I either put that on the big screen TV or I have headphones and go to the gym and work out. I work out 6 days a week doing a heavy weights workout. And then also I like to walk 3 miles a day at the minimum. I love doing my vibration plate. I'll do that for 10 to 20 minutes. I love jumping on the rebounder and getting into the infrared sauna. I love my red light therapy. I have an individual one, and then I have a really big one from Juve. And I love taking an Epsom salt bath. I take one almost every single night. I don't really drink. I drink about 4 times a year, but every other day, if I am out and my friends are drinking, I have 5 lemons, 5 limes in soda water with lots and lots of fresh mint, so it looks like I'm having a drink. I love going to cryotherapy. I'm going about 5 days a week to that. So what I do is I do the PBM, or what they call the red light therapy, and then jump into the cryotherapy. Every day I do Bible verses with my son. We read the Bible together. I also love the YouVersion Bible app. I love to do a plan. And so I find the plan that I want. I like to do it with friends sometimes. I love the Bible in 1 Year 2021 with Nikki Gumbel as well. And those are my daily habits.